Hi guys, I'm actually coming here to correct my mistake. I removed my previous video because I don't think I got the whole story. So let's just circle it back a little bit. So Cat Matlala has been moved to a super maximum correctional center in KZN. So now he's moved from Pretoria to KZN. Yeah, and this is where I got it wrong, because I thought he was just being moved from one prison to another, also because there was an attempted murder on his life. And he was just moved. Yeah, well, and sorry, because I was actually on the road, so I'm trying to keep up. Yeah, well, that's just the content creator in me. So now I read a lot of comments. You see, now when I got home, I got time to read all the comments, and I'm just looking at how people are reacting. Yeah, well, people are not happy. They are saying that they are trying to break him, and obviously this is not good, because he won't have any connections. KZN. I won't have any connections. KZN. Now noba besazi bani PN, I'm sure nabantu abapha elandizeni phi eGosimampuru, I'm sure nabantu abapha bayazana. Ngoku ngapha eKZN uzofika kukho abanye abantu pha abasebephezulu. Yeah, understand? So I saw a lot of comments, and some people are like, no, he should challenge this in court. No. But anyway, my question still stands, uthi, that I asked on the previous video. It still stands, uthi. What do you think is happening? Do you think, when I also read the letter by the correctional service, they spoke a lot about safety. They spoke a lot about, so it could be something did happen. It could be something happened, or it could be that maybe they see that they don't have control over him. It could be that he has a lot of connections and he's still able to run his day-to-day. You never know, because they speak a lot of, let me actually attach that letter here. They speak a lot about safety. Let me just put it here quickly, that letter. So this is the statement. Yeah, they say that the transfer of the remand detainees and sentenced offenders between correctional facilities is a standard operational practice. Then, but when a practice informed by a range of considerations: primary security, safety, operational requirements, and effective inmate management across the correctional system. So they're trying to explain some of the things that influence a transfer. So I think something definitely happened then. But you tell me in the comment section, what do you think is happening? Do you think it's harsh for him that he had to go to the max of the max? Is it harsh? Are they trying to break him? Could it be that something happened? What is happening? Yeah, I think let me just end there for now. I am gonna drop a video on YouTube. Actually, I shot something. I think I'll probably drop it at 8.